I'm going to cover the RAID types in a couple of videos. The first that we need to learn and know about is RAID 0. Now RAID 0 requires at least 2 disks in order to run, and the idea of it is that it's striped. That is to say, some data will be written on the first disk, and then some data will be written on the second disk. And then some more data will be written on the first disk again, and then some more data on the second disk. Because we have 2 disks, the write time is only half of what it would be if it were 1 disk. If I had to write all 8 of these sections here on 1 disk, I'd have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would take me 8 passes here in order to write them all. But because I'm using 2 disks, I can write them twice as fast. Now, the problem with this is if a disk goes out, we lose all of our data. We don't have any redundancy. RAID 1 gives us redundancy. I write everything to 1 disk and then everything to another disk. Now, this really only takes the same amount of time as it does to write to 1 disk, and I have full redundancy. The problem is, of course, I lose that amount of time. I lose that speed that I get with RAID 0. But I get full redundancy. I get full mirroring. This is called striping, by the way, RAID 0. RAID 1 is called mirroring. I'll take up RAID 5 and RAID 6 in the next video.